Hey everyone, welcome to this video. I'm Marco, I'm a computer science student who's currently doing an internship, and in this video I'm gonna talk about a web application that I built called Free Storage. Free Storage is a web application made in Django that lets you store your files and share them with your friends for free. And in this video, I will walk you over the project, show you some key features, and share you the behind the scene coding that I made for making this web application. So let's talk about the inspiration behind the project.
Recently, I ran into a problem when I filled up my iCloud storage. While reviewing the prices on the iCloud website, I noticed that the next tier offered was 2 terabytes. That was just too much storage for me and way too expensive as well. So I started thinking about alternative solutions. My first thought was to build an NAS for my local use. However, after researching on Amazon and seeing that the cost was nearly $1,000, it turned out to be more expensive than just upgrading the iCloud tier. Plus, I'm not someone who needs more than 2 terabytes of storage for a long time, and NAS is really designed for massive storage and data security with multiple hard drives and the ability to use RAID 10 or RAID 5. Then I remembered a video I saw a few years ago where someone used Discord as a substitute for Google Drive, and that sparked an idea. But after some research, I decided to use the Telegram API instead of Discord because it's easier to use and it also works with Python pretty well. The idea is to take large files. If it's larger than 20 megabytes, it will be split into 20 megabytes chunks, each of which will be then compressed into a zip file. Each of these chunks will be uploaded to Telegram, saving the message ID in which they were sent. This way, when downloading the file, you only need to retrieve the message ID from the database, download them, decompress them, and join them into the correct order to recreate the file exactly as it was uploaded.
So let's see how the app works in real time. This is the landing page, so you can see the unlimited uploads, easy downloads, shareable files, and custom expiration for the files that you share. You can see about the app, how was it made, and etc. You can get started, and you can create a user called Hola, email hola@gmail.com. Password, I'll use this one, I don't care really. So we just register, and now we use our login and password to log into the app. So this is the app: 0 files uploaded, 0 storage used, and the first storage tier it's 50 gigabytes. So you can upload a new file, choose file. I'll take Nike Runs Marathon and upload it. The Nike Run Club Marathon is uploading, so let's just refresh, and there we go. We have a new notification. We take the notification and we see that the file was uploaded successfully. We can check the file, and there is the information, the size, pretty much all the details you want. You can put some tags. So this is a Nike stuff, and you can create a tag. You can delete it touching it, so it's pretty easy to use. And we'll let some tag like test. And this is the interesting part: you can share this file with an expiration date for the 28th of October at some time, but we don't want that to be unconstrained. and we only set the max downloads per this link. So I will put 2 max downloads and we'll share the file, and there you go. File name, Nike, blah blah blah, share link, expiration, no expiration, 0 from 1 download, and you can delete the file share. So we'll copy the link, and I'm gonna share it to my MacBook, so I'll share the desktop view of the app.
Now, on the computer view, we copy the link and paste it into an incognito window. This is because the person we are sending the link to doesn't need to have an account into the application. They can simply download the file sent by the other person. After that, they will be redirected to the landing page where they can register or log into their account if they have one. All files are saved into a Telegram chat with a random name so that absolutely no one can know who the file belongs to or which part of the file it is.
Now, for the people interested in the code, I used Django 5 for the backend and Bootstrap for the styling. Django was a no-brainer really because it's based in Python. It's pretty easy to use when you get used to it, and Bootstrap is the way to go when you want to build a quick and responsive app. So yeah, that was basically the stack that I used. Throughout the project, I used VS Code as my IDE and GitHub for my version controlling, so you can check all the pushes that I did and all the mini changes that I made throughout the project. This is an open source project, so you can download it locally and deploy it using Docker or something else. It's pretty easy, but if someone is interested, I can make a video explaining step by step how to download it in your local machine. Even though the app is completely functional and you can use it right now, I'm already thinking about some upgrades.
The biggest change I'm considering is switching from AWS EC2 machines, which are the free virtual machines from Amazon Web Services, to my Raspberry Pi. I plan to connect the traffic throughout a Cloudflare tunnel, which is also free, but I will have more control of the time of download, upload, and more settings.
If you want to check out the app, it's in the link below. If you have any suggestions or ideas or feedback, please just tell me and I will try to implement it as soon as possible. And if you want the code for yourself, there is the code source in GitHub down below. So you just will have to fork the repository or something and use it for yourself. And that's pretty much all. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.